Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leila and today we are going to be going through my top 10 bathroom mistakes and how to fix them. Right, let's get right into it. One of the most common things that I see when designing a bathroom is failing to think about the layout. In order to avoid making mistake, I would suggest draw your current layout on some graph paper. Using metric measurements and noting the location of windows and doors, create cutout shapes to scale of every fixture you want in the room. So this is like the bath, basin, toilet and shower enclosure, etc. You will then be able to arrange your ideal plan on the graph paper and you'll be able to move things around until you get to the perfect layout. Be mindful of space when arranging your layout, as you will need to be able to move comfortably in your bathroom. When designing a bathroom, think about how you would like to use it personally. For example, do you prefer shower or bath? Use the natural light available to you. Ensure it showcases your personality and look at the space available to you and how best to maximize it. Once all these aspects are considered, then you'll be able to create a space perfect for you. So the second one is choosing the right tiles. So when you decide on your tiles, this covers most of your bathroom. So this decision, whether you're going to go for large, small or what color decisions, will either make or break your bathroom. If you love color, you could use colored tiles on walls, like in this bathroom where they used blue metro tiles with white grout, or in the shower wall and floor like in this bathroom. You can mix different tile sizes together. So you could use large tiles 60 by 60 centimeters on most of the bathroom and then use smaller tiles behind the sink like I did in this bathroom. You can find lots of different tiles in shops. I also love textures in tiles for bathrooms. Don't forget the grout, because this can change the look and feel of your bathroom. Number 3, overlooking storage. In your bathroom, you really want it to be a very relaxing space and not a stressful place where you can't find any of your items. We store so much in our bathrooms, from toiletries, cleaning products, towels, toilet rolls. For this reason, I would say it is really good idea to have good bathroom storage solution, and this would make the place feel more calm and organized. Here are some storage ideas. So the first is niche in shower or bath areas, like in this photo. So this is great for shampoos, shower gels, sponges, etc. The second is the vanity unit area, where you can have storage drawers or shelves under the sink, where you can store makeup, creams, towels, toilet paper. The third is behind the mirror. If you have space, you can get a mirror cabinet with shelves. This is great for toothbrushes, creams and daily items that you need. Moving on to number 4, and that is poor lighting. Inexperienced renovators, what they do is they just put spotlights in the bathroom in a grid, and this just doesn't work nowadays. Nowadays it's much better to do layered lighting. As a result, the bathroom is often too bright and lacks ambience. Plus, the bright overhead lighting creates shadowing when you look in the vanity mirror. Dreadful when you are putting on makeup or shaving. To avoid this, it is crucial to make layered lighting. You should feature lighting for ambience. Concealed LED strips are a great option, as they don't consume much energy here around the mirror near the sink area. Then add in lighting for other purposes. For example, incorporate task lighting to assist with grooming or putting on makeup, such as pair of wall lights on either side of the mirror. This will illuminate your face from the front, which is the most effective and flattering direction. Ask your electrician to wire these lighting separately so you can put them on separately, and this way you can create different moods in your bathroom. I often like using 2700 Kelvin in bathrooms, and this is how bright the light is. So with 2700 it gives you that soft glow without being orange. But what I do see is a lot of bathrooms, they use 3000 Kelvin, which makes it very cold color. This is often a mistake. So try and opt for 2700 Kelvin. Moving on to number 5, and that is neglecting window covers. So often what I see in bathrooms, people forget about windows, and this is very important for your modesty. And people do also use sometimes fabrics for their windows in bathrooms, and I would say that that would be best to be avoided, because bathrooms are very damp places and fabrics do suck moisture. Many people choose to fit windows with obscured or frosted glass or add window film to existing windows. However, it can also be worth considering other window treatments that can also help the space feel warmer, such as blinds. I think shutters are also great in bathrooms, as they add character, as one of the main ways which heat is lost in the home is through windows, especially in older properties. Number 6 is not considering existing infrastructure. So it is very important that you know what is behind the walls when you come to design your bathroom. Make sure you work with your plumber to figure out if the new layout will work with current plumbing up points and infrastructure. You might need to rethink your layout if you don't want to move these existing points. Remember, while changing plumbing points can give you the layout you really want, it can also blow out your budget. So if you can keep the pipes where they are and just put new toilet sinks and showers or bath, then that would be the best solution. If you want to move them slightly, that is fine. But if you want to move them totally to a different wall, then that will be really costly. Number 7, no hand shower. If you don't have a hand shower in your shower or bath, then this will make life harder for you, as you need these hand showers for cleaning. This is a lot of times forgotten, and it is so easy to install and saves so much headaches afterwards. It's also handy when you need to wash your hair, kids, or even pets. I suggest always install a hand shower in your shower or bath. Number 8, relying on a window for ventilation. Having an open window is not enough for ventilating a bathroom. So you need to really consider this, because it can ruin your decor and your health as well. The best way to combat this issue is with an exhaust bathroom fan that pulls the moisture from the air and releases it outside. Wall and ceiling mounted fans are most popular. There are a lot of choices in the market, also colors, so I would get something that blends in with the decor for the bathroom, as you don't want them to be too noticeable and stand out. It is better they blend in. Moving on to number 9, shower mixer positions. Have you ever gone to a shower and got sprayed in cold water when you were switching it on or altering the temperature? You don't want to replicate this design flaw in your new bathroom. You can portion your shower mixture on the wall before you enter the shower. Moving on to number 10, incorrect height and spaces. So this is if you are installing your vanity unit or your toilet or your mixers, shower mixers or taps in the wrong height, or you are installing your mirror too high or too low, or you are installing a shower enclosure and the opening is too small. All fixtures should be installed at optimal heights to avoid having an awkwardly reach or move around the bathroom, and to ensure easy and effortless use and ergonomics. Positioning bathroom fixtures correctly will also help achieve visual balance and that interior design look for your space. You can easily check on the internet what heights things need to be, but an experienced plumber should be able to help you out. This is all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Bye for now.